Alright guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can unlink Social Club from Epic Games. Alright, so first we want to go to rockstargames.com and simply log in with your account. So after we have logged in, click on your account icon right here and then select View My Profile. So click on this. So from here, after we're taken to this new page, we want to click on our profile icon once more and then select or hover over Help and select Support. Okay, we can close this out, the previous website. So you will be taken to this page. Right here we need to select the third option, Social Club, then go to Social Club Account, and you will see this option called Account Linking. So click on it. So right here I'm going to show you what you have to type, but before that we need to copy our Epic Games ID. So go to store.epicgames.com, log in with your account, hover over your account, and then click on, well, account. So from here we need to copy this ID. Okay, so this is the ID that we need to copy. So I'm going to go back to the ticket that we're sending, write them something like this. Good day, I would like to unlink my Epic Games account from my Social Club account, Epic Games ID, and here is where you paste this ID. I can leave this as a template in the pinned comments. And here you will type your Social Club name. So for example, I'm just going to scribble like so. And of course you need to write your Social Club nickname right here as well. This is the description that we're going to write, and you can also attach some photos as proof that this is in fact your account. So after we have done all of this and we have given them the information that they require, they will get back to us in a week usually. And yeah, don't forget to click submit web ticket and check your emails for a reply from Social Club. So that's how you do it. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.